What are the top 5 reasons to buy a security camera system for your home? You're about to find out. Here we go. Welcome to another episode of Security 101 with Mr. SilverHammer, where I give you tips to protect your home, your family, your business, and your staff. Today we're talking about the home. What are the top 5 reasons people buy security camera systems from us? Now this is data we've collected over the years from our actual customers. We've kind of ranked why people buy from us. Number 5, pets. People love to check in on their pets. They buy a Wi-Fi camera that has two-way audio so they can hear what's going on at home. They can talk to their pets throughout the day, and that happens a lot, but just generally make sure they're okay and make sure they're not trashing the house and that kind of thing. So number 5, pets. Number 4, teenagers. Oh, you poor teenagers. Mom and dad just won't leave you alone. My old tagline was, you can't party at my house, my parents have cameras. And it's true. Sorry, kids. Gotta find another house to party at. My bad. So that's number 4, teenagers. Number 3, bad neighbors. And this is where it gets nasty. And this is the biggest surprise to me throughout the years, because it gets nasty out there. Neighbors just feuding and just doing crazy things. We've had guns pulled on one neighbor, and we've had to go to court to testify because it got crazy. Or it's just dog droppings, dogs doing their business on each other's yards. That's a big deal to people. People spend this money to buy camera systems to find out whose dog is dropping in their yard. But the neighbor thing, it gets crazy. So that's number 3. And again, biggest surprise to me. Number 2, and this is the most unfortunate, is being reactive to an incident that already happened. Break into the house, break into the car, home invasion, which are the worst. People break into your house, they don't care whether you're home or not. It gets nasty, physical confrontations. We've come in after some crazy stuff, and always very unfortunate. So it's great that they want to secure their house from that point on, but it sucks that it already happened to them. So the reactive thing is usually pretty sad, but always nice to give them peace of mind from that point on. Number 1, and this is the nearest and dearest to my heart, is proactive. Prevent. Secure before it happens. So, if thieves see cameras on your house, they're probably going to go to the next house. They're not going to mess with you, and if they do, you're going to have the evidence that the police need to help catch these people. So just be proactive. Get those suckers up there before something happens and you have to be reactive. That's the number 1. Prevent, prevent, prevent. Back in the days of my loss prevention career, prevent, prevent, prevent. And so I'm paying it forward. SilverHammer surveillance, prevent. So hope you enjoyed the top 5 reasons to purchase a security camera system in 2021. Please check back for more tips with Mr. SilverHammer. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.